Welcome guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are staying safe. All right, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. Hit that notification bell so when I do drop a video you will be notified. All right, this is my YouTube channel, guys. All right, as you guys can see by the title today, I will be talking about race option. All right, we'll be talking about my new platform that I will be trading on. All right, so far so good, guys. All right, um, I'm just gonna be giving you a quick walkthrough of what this platform has to offer, and and we can go from there. All right, so if you want the link to this broker, it's in the description box. All right, you can definitely sign up with this broker. All right, um, race option, guys. It is fairly easy to use. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so on the left here, guys, I'm going to be showing you the currency pairs that will be traded. Okay, all right, so these are your options and the percentage that they do pay out. All right, so for instance, let's go to Euro USD. Right, that's 66%. All right, GBPR, which is 70%. Okay, I do like to go for 70% or more. All right, and that will pay more percentage. All right, pay a higher in profit. Okay, guys, so on the right here, the type of options that I do trade a lot is turbo or intraday. All right, basically turbo is from like 1 minute to uh 30 minutes. You can enter any amount you like. All right, so you can go $100, you know what I mean, any amount. All right, so that's that right there, and these are your call and put the button. All right, so before I do get to that, so if I do put $1, I'm gonna get 70 cents. If I put $10, I'll be getting $7. All right, and these are your call or put. So call basically means that whatever you enter here, if you enter at this number, it has to stay above for the time that you entered, 1 minute. Okay, put meaning it has to stay lower for the time that you entered here. All right, so there's guys out there that says, if it's a call, 70% or so they will enter, or if it's put, then they will enter. That's not how I trade. I do have my strategy, and I will be dropping more videos on more strategies that I use. All right, okay, so going down here, guys, if you do click this button, that's the open, and if you click the close button, it will show you all my trades that I did entered in and all my payout. Okay, these are my size, and on those are all my payouts and what assets I trade. All right, call or put, time. All right, so that's at the bottom here. Okay, over here they do have a rollover option. All right, basically you extended the time. All right, you do have to pay more to enter that. All right, double up, meaning that you can enter the trade for the same time. All right, if you're in a trade, you can double up on it. All right, and I'm gonna be getting into a trade just to show you guys. All right, Okay, so here this is a button for your funding. All right, my referral, promotions, settings. All right, type of account. All right. um Before I go, I want to let you guys know that you can basically use this chart, or you can use uh TradingView platform. All right, so you can do all your analysis from here, and you can use the TradingView platform, set up all your indicators and everything from here. All right, and they do offer up here, they do offer technical analysis. All right, so you can go here for that. All right, and indicators, news, right, trading ideas, right. You can also, they do also have a trader contest, and you can also copy trades. All right, so trading is a thing that you can copy, guys. This is binary options, and it is fairly easy to use. Fairly, it's money in minutes, guys. Literally money in minutes. All right, so all right, guys, so I'm gonna be getting into a trade, and no analysis, no breakdown, no fundamentals, nothing, right? Just gonna be reading the naked chart. Let's get into a call option. All right, let's see what happens. I just wanted to show you guys how it works. All right, so right now I'm in the trade. It looks like I'm losing. All right, I'm probably gonna lose this one, or I'm gonna win. Let's see. Okay. All right, guys, so this is a countdown. Once it gets to this mark right here, there you go. Okay, so I won this one. All right, so that's no analysis, no breakdown, just simply call or put. All right, guys, so I just wanted to show you how it works. I will be back with my strategies. I will be posting more videos, more content of how I do get into trades. All right, let's see if I can do one more. Okay, I'm gonna do let's do a put option. All right, okay, so it has to stay below here for 1 minute. All right, so this is the price that we entered and the amount. All right, just wanted to just show you guys for the video. All right, so above, I'm probably going to lose this one. All right, or I'm probably, let's see. Okay, countdown, guys. All right, so it has to get to this purchase deadline. All right, once it gets to stay above below, then I'll be the winner. All right, there you go, guys. So that's 2 winners in a row. All right, simply just pushing the call or put button, no analysis, no analysis. All right, so I'm gonna be putting my strategies together. All right, this is my second broker. All right, if you check out my page, my channel, all right, you can see that I was using another broker. All right, so I do have 2 that I'm working with. All right, so hit the subscribe button, hit the link in the description bar. All right, and catch you in the next video. All right.